got shawl blankets. That's not a shawl. It's like, hold on, it does look like an old timer's sweater. Got that. But wedding is tomorrow, and I always like when I have a chance to go out to a place, go to rehearsals, see what it's gonna look like, see where I can put cameras at, see what the setting might be. This time of day, I know what the lighting is gonna look like, and tomorrow's gonna look kind of identical. Should be gorgeous. Let's hit I-95. Hey y'all, how's it going? Hello there.
Hey, how are you?
So good to see you again.
One thing I'm actually doing is checking in on the time, because this is literally the time. Tomorrow, we will have a wedding going on. So I'm checking out lighting, seating arrangement. Looks like it's gonna be easy to deal with. Should be pretty easy to stick cameras. There. I'm not liking the seat, but around.
So let's go ahead, let's go up front. We did not work in the groom's parents here. Are they walking down the aisle too? Okay, groom's parents. And how's your dad getting down there?
With me. Oh well.
Right, duh, sorry.
No, you're good.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fine.
Duh.
There's a billion ways to do it. It's fine.
Okay. All right.
It's all right. I couldn't center out the wood thing, so.
So cute. I know it's gonna feel silly because you don't have a basket or confetti, but just practice.
I'm kind of shy.
That's okay. It's okay. Yeah, don't worry. It's gonna be great, and I'm gonna be here with you. Okay, so like I'm gonna be at the house, like just giving you thumbs up. All right. All right. So let's just practice here together. I'll walk with you just for this first time, and then you'll do it by yourself next time. Okay? One to the left, one to the right.
I'll let Allie step in again. You beat me.
Okay.
Oh.
I come out here.
All right, then this needs to be like a super slow walk. Give the photographer like lots of cool photos right here. Okay, don't rush this.
And the videographer.
Yeah, and give it lots of fodder. Yes. So like this.
Big cheer. Don't drop her.
Not again.
Yes. Woo!
Oh.
Okay. We're cheering. Well, you're like wave your bouquet. Yeah. Don't take this.
Going to rehearsal, if you can, is a great move to plan for video with photos. I feel like I can improv a little bit more, even though there's planning on that too. There's no one size fits all answer. But going in video, seeing where to put cameras, how much space I will have, how many people we might have, huge benefits. So I can sleep on this, and tomorrow we got ourselves a wedding.
And we can all just, we'll be able to support each other.
All
Here's
right.
to the bride and groom.
Cheers.